When the body is steady and relaxed, the breath also stays calm as you sit straight. You inhale and exhale slowly. Whenever you move into a posture, you take one full breath in. When you bend forward, you breathe out. When you come back, you breathe in. As you lean to the right, inhale. As you lean left, inhale before moving. When you bend left, keep the breath in. When you rise up, breathe in and lift. After reaching the posture, you can return to normal breathing. You may even pause the breath for a moment. Holding the breath is called Kumbhak. Holding after exhaling is external Kumbhak. Holding after inhaling is called internal Kumbhak. Breathing in is called Purak. Breathing out is called Rechak. These are the basic rules of breathing. Normally, taking long, smooth breaths helps keep your breath steady while you practice yoga. You can do all asanas this way. For example, in shoulder stand or headstand, when the body stays in one posture for a few minutes, the breath also becomes normal. When the body is steady, the breath stays steady. And once you enter the posture, it settles on its own. Generally, you start an asana by inhaling fully. Then, after reaching the posture, you may hold the breath as external or internal Kumbhak based on the technique. So these are a few guidelines about the breathing method.